Hello photographers! I'm glad to announce a new Pro Club workshop that we're going to do in 1 week. This time we'll be catching droplets, and this is just a super cool technique to enjoy doing and to have it in your sort of photography bucket, so you know how to do it when needed. But let me try to show you just as is right now. So you see what camera is seeing, and I see on this little screen, and okay, you see, slight adjustment, boom, we have it. And we have it slightly different. And we have it too. I'm telling you, this is super cool. All the information, what you need, actually it's very non-expensive equipment that I use, and the coolest part that I use Sony a7R III, which is not good for this type of photography because of the shutter delay. But there is a trick, and it will work for any mirrorless with a shutter lag, actually. I'll tell you, this is super on the workshop, of course. So, all Pro Club members, I'm going to send you everything needed for this, so you will be prepared. And I also will show you during the workshop the science behind all these collisions. Slow motion video footage like this one, and you will see everything in terms of how to set up delay, how to set up everything on this super cool little trigger that we're going to use to catch these awesome droplets. Okay, so stay tuned. We announced the date of the workshop. It's completely free for our Pro Club members, and if you are not with us yet, I'm inviting you to join. Photigy Pro Club is the best place to learn tricks and secrets of product photography. Okay, see you in a week. And by the way, as usual, I'll be reviewing your submissions, your homework, if you decide to participate in this workshop. See you. Goodbye.